Good morning, children. Welcome to Haldi's adventure. Okay, yesterday I sent you three video clips on Haldi's adventure, right? Did you watch them? It was interesting, wasn't it? Whatever we read, same things were given. You could see the story put up in different ways. Okay, you could see different types of haldi. In one she was wearing a skirt, and in another one she was wearing, you found the giraffe was also looking a little different, haldi was also looking different, but the story was the same, right? And the dialogues were the same. And in one of the video you could see the word meanings and words, new words. Okay, now I'm sure you must have enjoyed. Okay, so today what we'll do is we'll do the question answers, and at the end of it I would also send you another video clip of the same Haldi's adventure, but it has framing sentences too. Okay, and it had some back exercise also has been answered in that. But there's only one little problem, maybe a printing error in that video. Okay, so in one place, only at one place, you will find that they are explaining about the word surprised, but they will be showing you giraffe instead. Okay, that you will understand. That's a teeny mini error. So, okay, when you go to that word and they show that giraffe is written, they will be writing giraffe. The meaning of giraffe is amazed, and it would have been talking. They will talk about a sentence about amazed. Okay, so that is just a small error. So that's okay, ignore it, but you enjoy that video also. Okay, so just let's go back to the reading of the lesson now, and we will do the question answers. To go to question answers, we may have to go to the fourth page. Okay, fourth page right here. Let it open. It's open now. Reading is fun. See, reading is fun. Where was Haldi going? Where was she going? Haldi was going. Where was she going? Let's go to the page again here. It says, look at the first line. It says that she will be late for school. Can you see the first line? That she would be late for school. Okay, because she suddenly remembered, Haldi was surprised and happy too. Then she remembered that she would be late for school. So where was she going? She was going to the school, right? So the answer to this question, which says, where was Haldi going? You will write Haldi was going to the, where? To the school. Okay. Now, second question. Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Why was she staring at the giraffe? Children, you could have two answers for this, but I will just show you both the answers. We have to go back to the first page again. Here, Haldi looked up at him. I'm sorry to stare, she said, but I've never met a giraffe like you. That's what she said. So Haldi stared at him because she had never met a giraffe like him. This could be one answer. You could also write Haldi stared at him because giraffe wore, see the third line, giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand, because it was really funny, wasn't it? Giraffes don't hold books. Giraffes don't wear spectacles, right? So it was funny for her. So she looked at him. She stared at him. So there could be two answers. One is giraffe. She stared at him because giraffe wore, look at the third line, giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. You can write this answer, or you can also write that Haldi stared at him because she had never met a giraffe like this before. Okay, you understood this now. Now, let's go to the third question. Where is the third question now? We have to wait for the page to open. Right. The third question is, how did she reach the school? How did she reach the school? Now, children, if you see this page, she is having a good ride on the back of, she sat in at the back of, she's climbed onto the back of giraffe and she's having a nice ride. Okay, she's having a nice ride to school. See this? And she's got a bag also here and she's enjoying the ride to school. Okay, so we can write for this is that how did she reach school? She reached school by sitting on the giraffe, or you can say she reached the school by riding on Smiley. Okay, she reached the school by riding on Smiley. So she rode, no? She was riding on Smiley. Okay, so these are the 3 questions today, children, which we will be doing. I shall show you the reference to the question answers in a PDF form, and once again we'll explain, and after that I'm going to show you the video clip, remember, and there is an error, so now you have to look and read properly and look for the error, okay, and tell mama that books can be also wrong, right? Sometimes even video clips can be wrong, so you have to be very, very careful and you have to observe. That is why we are telling you to be careful, see it properly, read it properly. Why? Because you need to be careful. Okay, now we shall go back to the question answers. Okay. Now, children, this is the question answers. You will write Haldi's adventure on the top, underline it, and then you should write the date, but not 21/4. You will write 22/4/20. Not 21/4, 22/4/20. Then you will write the second line, answer the questions that follow. Then we will write question 1. Question 1. Where was Haldi going? And then you will write answer. Haldi was going to, where was she going? I'm not going to tell you that now. I've discussed it. You will write it. Haldi was going to, right, complete it. Okay. Then question number 2, leave a line. Let's go to question number 2. Why did Haldi stare at the giraffe? Now, remember I told you 2 answers to it. So, you can write any one of them. Answer, Haldi stared at the giraffe because Haldi stared at the giraffe because, and you will what? Write any one of the answers which I discussed with you. Then you leave a question, leave a line again. Go to question number 3. How did she reach school? So you can write answer as Haldi reached school by riding. Complete the sentence. By riding, complete the sentence. Okay, so this is your home task today, that you will write all the 3 neatly. You will copy all these 3 question answers in your notebook. And please don't forget to write the index. You can write 22/4/20 and write the topic as question answers. Okay. Now I shall send you the PDF form of this so that you can copy down, and also send you the video clip which you can enjoy. Okay, children. Bye for now. See you tomorrow now.